All right, so I put some Stay-Sil paste on the holes. I'm gonna fire up the torch, and I'm gonna fire up this torch. I'm gonna keep it really low. I want to be able to control my heat, and we'll see if we can burn a big hole through this thing. All right. I'm going to hit the one in the back first. That one didn't take. I think I got a good seal there, good seal here, good seal here. And I can't see. I need a new set of glasses, everybody. That might be a hole. I might have a couple more holes. So you get an idea of what I'm doing. And you can see that that's sealed good. The 3 holes, I think I have 2 more in there that I have to hit, but I want to sand them down and get them clean, and I want to make sure I have plenty of flux on them so that I have a fighting chance. So I'm going to shut the video down. That's enough for filming that stuff, and we'll let you know what happens here just in a second. Well, unfortunately, this tank is Swiss cheese. I'm still going to go for it because this is, if we could get this to work, shoot, anybody can get a tank to work. You can see I brazed 1, 2, 3 holes there, probably four holes there. I brazed 4 or 5 holes there, which are closed. What I'm doing to pressure test, just to give you an idea, here's how I'm finding these holes. I'm taking shop air, I'm coming into a regulator that I've kind of rigged to get a tube on it. You can see. I only put, I don't even know if it's a half a pound, just I got a little bit of air coming out of here. I hook it up to the gas tank, and I soap bubble the tank. So I had a lot of soap bubbles coming from this area down here. So I cleaned off the stuff that was on it, and looked down through. I've got a light, and take a look at this. All of those little white things are pinholes, and it's just gone Swiss cheese. So here's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to try, without burning a bunch of holes through that, to braze every one of those little dots enough to where I know that any very small holes, the coating should take care of that. So I'm really not worried about that. So I'm going to give it a shot, and we'll see what happens. All right, I have taken this about as far as I can. I have brazed so many holes all over the place. I've got the major ones done, and I think we're down to where we can coat this now. So I will, what I'm going to do next is, we've got everything cleaned up, everything's brazed. I do have to get 1 BB out of this tank though. We'll get that out, and then I'll be back and I'll tell you what we're going to do. All right, what I'm going to try is Pour 15. I said that in some earlier videos. I have not used Pour 15, but I'm going to give it a try. So this is a metal prep. I'm going to put this in. I'm going to leave it in for 20 minutes. I'm going to slosh it around. Once I get it all sloshed around, it will etch the inside of the tank to make the sealer actually stick. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll have to rinse it out, I'll have to put some, I'll put something in it to dry out, denatured alcohol or something to dry quick. Make sure it's really dry inside before we start to coat. But that's the scoop. So I'm going to pour some of this in, shake it around. You don't need to watch that again. And we'll get it cleaned up, and then I'll come back when we're ready to put the pour in.